Hi, this is Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah with a short video of a new trade I took in, a new Seafox 226 Traveler with a white Yamaha 200. Also includes a Magic tilt trailer. It's in great shape, only has 5 hours on it. Has a nice swim deck with the sea deck installed, a Garmin GPS transducer. On the port side you have a live well, ski tow, seating. Here's the helm. You also have a portable head. Very nice for the kids, families. Great seating in the bow with storage underneath. Optional table and bow filler cushion is included. Anchor roller up front. Cooler under the back seat. Storage under the back-to-back seats. Rod holders. Also includes a custom 8-foot bimini. Very good shape. Great for family use and fishing also. For information, contact the MarineMax in Savannah.